What's up, guys? Max Toy Box here, and today I am doing a review of the XTERRA TR150. So I purchased this November 2020 for around 290 bucks off of Amazon, and the main reason why I purchased this was because I needed something that was foldable, right? Could collapse so that I could fit it in my home gym, and also something that got lots of reviews. And if you guys go check out this treadmill on Amazon, it's gotten plenty of reviews. So here is my review 3 years later. So first things first, something that has not aged well with this is the hardware. If you guys look right here, it is foldable, and this right here is extremely rusty. I apologize the lighting because I'm doing this in my gym. Um, but you guys can see it's super rusty, and so it's made it very difficult to pull out and then to raise and lower it. Let me see if I can actually raise and lower it on camera for you guys. This, and then you pull it down. So this is what it looks like when it is fully extended. Look at that. And this thing gets stuck. As you guys can see, it's supposed to go in. It gets stuck quite often. And then even just check out the rust down here. And so this has been in a, we'll say, an environment where it's not, there's no water or not a whole bunch of moisture. It's in a garage. And it still, has looked like this. I wasn't expecting a whole bunch at under 300 bucks for a treadmill, but this definitely was not what I needed or wanted, and I should have done a little bit more research. So I think the weight limit for this is listed at 250 pounds on Amazon. I don't weigh that much. I weigh around 220 at my heaviest. And even still, this belt slips quite often when trying to run anything above like an 8 minute, 45-second mile. It's slipping like ridiculous. So I don't recommend running any speeds over around 6.3 miles per hour on this thing because it will slip. Now, my wife actually loves this, and that's primarily because she does weigh less than me. She's, I think, around 130, 140 pounds or something like that. And she runs on this at a slower pace, and there's no slippage at all. And also, walking on this is not a problem. So I think that if you're someone who's going to be walking for the majority of your workouts, this is a decent buy. I want to say that I probably have about, could be about 1,000 miles between my wife and myself on this treadmill, if not more. Um, Especially like in the beginning when I first got this thing, I was really using it quite often, especially like during the summer months when it's just way too hot in Florida and when it's raining quite a bit too. So I think that those are really the target audience for someone who is maybe 150 pounds or less on this treadmill. If you're primarily going to be using this as a running treadmill, then it works fine. It has a manual incline, so you can raise it. Of course, you can adjust the belt from the back to tension and tighten it whichever way you need to. Um, I don't know what the motor size on this thing is. It's not much. Okay. So, but yeah, so I actually just got a Horizon 7.8 AT treadmill. If you guys want to see a review for that, let me know. My wife is currently running on it. Had some issues with that to begin with, but if you guys want to see a review on that, let me know and I might post it. I just wanted to go ahead and do this review really quickly because I'm going to end up tossing this thing and putting it outside. And so I just wanted to give you guys my final thoughts. Plus, I know that there's lots of reviews on this listed on Amazon, but not a bunch of videos. So I just wanted to give you guys a video review. I did not mention the heart rate monitor. I think in my other review where I talk about my home gym, I basically say this heart rate monitor is it's trash. It's not good at all. The majority of the heart rate monitors on these things are just not good. If you're going to be working out, use, Apple Watch or Google Fit, Fitbit, um, any other workout companion app where you're going to be monitoring your heart rate from your wrist. I think it's going to just be better than this thing would be. This also has a place where you can hold your phone for a shelf, which is convenient if you want to watch something like a movie on a tablet or anything like that. So that's nice. That was convenient. These side pockets, you really can't put much here at all. Pretty trash. I put like my headphone case there or something. I never once used any of these programs. I pretty much only start, stopped, and increased my speed. That's about it. I know that they have these different speed programs, but I didn't do any of those things because I just didn't find them useful. Of course, you got your standard, start, stop. It'll pull off and stop the treadmill if need be. So yeah, um, not my normal format of a video, but I just, like I said, wanted to put something out there so people could take a look at a video review of the XTERRA TR150. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll do my best to try and answer them. I know some people might want to know how big this space is. It's not that wide at all. That was something else that I did not like. Pretty narrow. And so it forces you, your angular basic gait when you're running has to be pretty narrow as well. And not that long of a treadmill either. But, it served its purpose. And like I said, if you're someone who's just going to be walking primarily and you're under 150 miles, I think this thing will work out for you just fine. Under 300 bucks. I think around now, it's probably around 350, but it's a decent treadmill for that price. So without further ado, until I see you guys again, you guys take care and stay safe. Peace.